Welcome everyone to a brand new video, and in this video I'll be showing you how to download the New World Mobile, download it into any of your iOS or Android mobile devices. Now I said the word downloaded twice, but that does not mean it's like a slip of tongue. But the main idea is that in this video I'll be showing you how to download this game New World into any of your iOS or Android mobile devices, which means by the end of this video I'll be showing you some steps by following which correctly and carefully you will be able to get this game downloaded New World into any of your iOS or Android mobile devices. And it is going to be that exciting. But there are some things that you have to listen to me for about is that watch this video till the end, because in this video I'll be showing you how to download this game. Not only just I'll be telling you how to download this game, basically sooner in this game, like halfway through this video, I will be deleting this game from my phone so that we can go through the steps together, and together we will be completing the steps to download this game in my phone again, and that will make the entire understanding process easier for you guys to sort of like understand the process, the downloading process. And so it will be fun, and it will be quick, it will be easy, it will be nothing complicated or complex. So just watch this video till the end, and by the end of this video, you'll be able to get this game downloaded into any of your iOS or Android mobile devices by following the steps correctly that I'll be showing you later in this video. So look at that. I have the game open New World on my iPhone. It's an iOS device. Now don't panic if you're seeing me using an iPhone in this video. It's just that I'm using an iPhone. Otherwise, this New World game is downloadable and compatible with both Android and iOS devices. And in this video, I'll be showing you a method that works for both Android and iOS devices. So just hang in there and watch this video till the end. Don't panic. That's the best thing to do right now. So as you can see, the game is running pretty greatly on my phone. The colors are good, you know? The graphics, the colors, the smoothness. Everything is perfect. Look at this guy going into nowhere because I don't know what this place is called. Oh, okay. Plenty of things, you know. So this guy is, I don't know, God knows what this guy's trying to do, but he's going somewhere. Okay, who's this? Now that's a little tense because this guy is going towards someone. I guess he's going to kill. Holy, look at that. Look at that. Oh, wow. This guy in the black scarf is spooky, definitely spooky. Or I don't know if it's he or she, but definitely spooky. So look at this, look at this. This is a map or what? I don't know, what is this? Okay. Back to the scene, perhaps? What? Oh. Okay. Everybody running? How did so many people come here? Whereas in the first scene it was just this guy and the other one. Okay. Okay. Perfect, perfect. I guess a war has started or something like that. What is this guy doing now? Oh, okay. I get it. This is the memory of that guy. He's explaining his memory to this guy who has come to him. For definitely some good reason, but I don't know why. And again, I guess now this is one. Okay. Whoa. Whoa. What is this? Is this some sort of UFO or what? I don't know how do these people make these games, you know, making up an entire story and then coming up with a sequel of, I would say, tasks and all those things. It is definitely genuinely hard, trust me. Look at this, now they're on board on the ship. That's perhaps the memory that guy is explaining to him, the guy who showed up to him. And, okay, what's wrong on this ship? Something definitely wrong, it's like a pirate ship. Okay, what I'm guessing is that this guy is the person who's sitting on the table in the actual scene. So what I'll be doing right now is that this game is pretty addictive, you know, I'm just getting into it, it's like a movie. This is New World. What I'll be doing is that I'll be deleting this game right now as promised from my phone, so that we can move on to the steps together and get some familiarity with the downloading process together. And so there we go. Now first things first. Locate and open the settings of your phone. Step number 1 is that you have to go to your battery settings and make sure that the low power mode on your iOS devices and your power saving or battery saving mods on your Android devices have been turned off. This is step number 1, which is for both Android and iOS devices. I'm sorry. And once you've done this, you'll exit your battery settings and move on to step number 2, which is that you have to go back up to your general settings above Control Center. Go to your background app refresh and make sure it is on Wi-Fi and cellular data. Now this is step number 2, which is only for iOS devices. Android users don't have to do step number 2. Instead, they skip the step and move on directly to step number 3, which is also pretty simple. You have to go down to your browser settings. I'm sorry, yes, you have to open your browser, another browser settings. Into the search engine bar, type in appdeals.top. Type this in carefully and correctly, appdeals.top. Once you've done that, click search, and a list of modded games and apps will be right in front of you this way, along with their respective compatibilities and ratings. Now this list is pretty long and extensive, so you might get lost, but don't worry, there we go. If you're lucky enough, you'll find it like this. Or otherwise, you can go to the search bar and type it in there. It's compatible with both Android and iOS devices, so click on it, click on download now, and this will start all the downloading process simultaneously and wait for it to get completed. Now there's no need for jailbreaking or rooting over here. It's as simple and straightforward as I'm showing you it is. And remember one more thing. In most cases, this process will take up to a few seconds, but in some cases it may take up to a minute or two. But don't worry about that, that's cool. It depends on your internet connection speed, after which you will be asked to complete this one last 87, which you have to complete 2 offers from the list below, and follow the instructions to complete the injection process. Now I'm making up a wide range of offers over here, out of which I have to complete 2, and definitely I'll be completing the easiest of all the offers, and my first one is going to be Fetch Rewards. I have to install this app and run it for 30 seconds. Now these apps are downloaded from the official store, so they're 100% safe to use, and although they've instructed me to run this after 30 seconds, I will run it for 40 to 50 seconds to be on the safe side, and would recommend you guys do the same as well. However, you might not notice it over here because the video has been fast-forwarded to make it short. And my offer number 1 has been completed, and my offer number 2 is also going to be completed, get completed, which is going to be Norton Secure VPN. I have to install the app and run it for 30 seconds again. But again, guys, I will run it for 40 to 50 seconds. And remember, once your contents have been downloaded, you may delete these extra apps to optimize your storage if you have storage issues. And once you've completed with your offers, simply close everything and return to your homepage, and your New World Mobile will have been downloaded just the way it has been downloaded over here for me in these few simple steps. So I hope you liked the video, guys. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to the channel, give this video a big thumbs up, share this video, and I'll see you next time in another cool video with another exciting, definitely an app or a game, something like that. Until then, take care, enjoy this game, and bye.